Geometry Review Part 2, Problems 13, 14, 15. Identify two opposite rays. We remember that a ray begins at a point and goes an infinite distance in exactly one direction. Opposite rays are two rays that have the same endpoint but move in opposite directions to form a line. In this case, the two opposite rays are ray EA and ray EC. We notice that we label the ray with a point and an arrow above. The point at which the ray begins is named first, and opposite rays, of course, will begin from the same starting point or vertex. On to problem 14. Which point is collinear? You must learn this vocabulary word. Collinear means in the same line. With E and G. Point Y is collinear with points E and G. Answer in a complete sentence. Which point is coplanar with points C, D, and H? Coplanar means in the same plane. We see this plane here, point G. On a globe of the Earth, lines of longitude are perpendicular to the equator and intersect at the north and south poles. The sum of the measures of the shaded triangle are greater than 180 degrees. This will be very important for anyone studying navigation or for piloting an airplane. One more. The graph of line G is shown. What equation describes a line perpendicular to the line G that has a y-intercept at 0, -1? 0, -1 is the y-intercept. The slope of this line is -1, -2, -3, -4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The slope of line G is equal to -4 over 8, which is the same as -1/2. To describe a line perpendicular to this line would be y equals negative reciprocal. This is a -1/2, so the slope of the new line would be 2 times my input, my independent variable x, minus 1, because that is my y-intercept, up 2 over 1. Let's just see what this looks like. In a graph, and the perpendicular line would look like this. Because they're perpendicular, we know we have right angles. And finally, question 18, the equation of line M is y equals -7x. A line parallel to this line would need to have the same slope. So f of x might be equal to negative 7x, and any y-intercept you like that is not 0, plus 3. That represents a line parallel to this line. Good.